Hey guys, it's been a while. It's another gloomy day here in Sydney. So, why don't we make a brewed coffee using the Oria dripper? Okay. Okay, what do we have here? I'm gonna use the Paradox Columbia Geisha. There you go. That's the flavor. Taste note. Okay. How many are we doing? How many grams? I think we'll just stick to the usual recipe. I'll go with the 15. Oh, one more. How are you all guys though? What's been happening in your life? Hope everything is well. Here in Sydney, it's also in the financial year, the 1st of June. So everyone is busy, especially if you're in sales. So, yeah. Okay, so it's the adjustment there. There you go. Should be done now. Alright, now it's time to wet our filter. Ooh, that should do it. That. Now let's check our water. There you go. It says 93 degrees, so that's done. La la. Look at that. Let's put it in. Boom, boom, boom. Look at that. Exactly 15 grams. Let's give it a shake. Make sure that the bed is even. Okay, here, I think it's been teared. There you go. Now, let's get our water. And let's start the timer. Need some coffee, guys, because last night my PBA team Ginebra lost to Meralco in the game 7 do or die. So a lot of Ginebra fans right now are feeling sad, but that's just how it is. Right, so let's go the 30 seconds and then we put another 50. Just a slow controlled pour. It's another 50, 90 now, and yep. So that. So we wait for another 30 seconds. So meaning once we reach a minute or 60 seconds, then we pour another 50 grams of water. There you go. Let's do it now. 50 grams is coming. Boom. Let's look at our bed. And then you can do a gentle agitation shake. Right, there you go. So we put in another 50. To reach 200 grams now. Done. How many seconds now? 1 minute and 48 and counting. 10 more seconds, then we put another 50, which will be the last pour. Looks good. Alright guys, this will be the last pour, and we aim for that 250 grams. Oops, a little bit over. That should do it though. And now it's just a waiting game. Let's look at our bed though. Delicious. So I reckon in the next 10 seconds it should be all drawn down, all this water. So we can start having our cuppa. There you go. Look at that, nice evenly bed. There you go. It's done. Ooh, yummy. So let's remove that. Alright guys. So we are ready to drink our coffee. Okay, let's see how good it is. Ooh la la. Look at that guys. Yum. Alright, let's enjoy guys.